Guys working on this one. This is a lovely Wrangler. And pretty much this one skipped timing somehow, some way. But this is in your lovely V6 Jeep Pentastar engine right here. These engines are absolutely garbage. And if you guys don't know, if you have a tick on one of these engines, it comes from the rocker arms. They fail, they eat the cam up, and cause you a lot of money. This is every Jeep, well, not every Jeep, but every Jeep, any Mopar that has a V6 in it is the Pentastar engine, the 3.6. And if you don't change your oil in them, they go bad fast. This is the Jeep, pretty much back together as well. Hopefully this one will leave today.